How lovely is thy dwelling place, O Lord of hosts! My soul longs, yea, faints, for the courts of the Lord. My heart and flesh sing for joy to the living God. Even the sparrow finds a home, and the swallow a nest for herself, where she may lay her young. At thy altars, O Lord of hosts, my King and my God. Blessed are those who dwell in thy house, ever singing thy praise. Selah. Blessed are the men whose strength is in thee, in whose heart are the highways to Zion. As they go through the valley of Baca, they make it a place of springs. The early rain also covers it with pools. They go from strength to strength. The God of gods will be seen in Zion. O Lord God of hosts, hear my prayer. Give ear, O God of Jacob. Selah. Behold our shield, O God. Look upon the face of thine anointed. For a day in thy courts is better than 1,000 elsewhere. I would rather be a doorkeeper in the house of my God than dwell in the tents of wickedness. For the Lord God is a sun and shield. He bestows favor and honor. No good thing does the Lord withhold from those who walk uprightly. O Lord of hosts, blessed is the man who trusts in thee. Psalm 84 is a joyful and heartfelt psalm that expresses a deep longing to be in the presence of God. It's often associated with pilgrims traveling to Jerusalem to worship at the temple. The psalm reflects the beauty of worship, the blessing of God's presence, and the strength found in trusting Him. Themes and lessons. Longing for God's presence. The psalmist expresses an intense desire to dwell in God's house, emphasizing that being near God is life's greatest joy. Being close to God is the highest good. The psalm reminds us that no worldly pleasure or place is better than being in God's presence. Blessedness of worshippers. Those who dwell in God's house, who find their strength in Him, and who trust Him are called blessed. Worship is a source of strength and joy. True strength comes not from circumstances but from hearts set on seeking God. Strength through the journey. Pilgrims on their way to Zion gain strength from God even as they pass through dry or difficult places like the Valley of Baca. God strengthens us through life's valleys. Even painful or dry seasons, symbolized by the Valley of Baca, can become places of refreshment when we walk with God. God as protector and provider. God is described as a sun, life-giver, and shield, protector, who gives grace and honor. God honors those who walk uprightly. The Lord doesn't withhold good things from those who live with integrity, encouraging a life of righteousness. Superiority of God's presence. A single day in God's courts is better than 1,000 elsewhere, reflecting how nothing compares to life with God. Trust in God brings blessing. The psalm ends by affirming that trusting God leads to true, lasting happiness. Better is one day in your courts than 1,000 elsewhere. Psalm 84 verse 10. Psalm 84 teaches that the presence of God is the soul's true home. It encourages believers to seek God with longing, trust Him on the journey, and find strength, joy, and blessing in worship and faithfulness.